Put your hands behind your back.
Stop!
Yo.
No, stop! Stop!
On the 15th of September 2025, Pennsauken police were called to the Wawa store after receiving a report of an ongoing altercation between a sales clerk and another employee. A chaotic scene ensued as police attempted to subdue the female customer, who was fiercely resisting arrest.
Yo, back up, yo, let's go. Back up. Go.
Bro, get off of me. Get off of me.
Go ahead.
Get off of me.
I'll get. Put your hands behind your back.
Get off of me. Yo, dog, look at girl. Damn, bro, I'm gonna piss right in this shit, bro. Bro, I need to fix my phone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Yo.
Stop touching me! I don't like people touching me!
I'm bringing the car around.
Stop touching me!
Can you leave the door open, please? Can you leave the door
Stop
open?
pulling me like that, my fucking hand, nigga! Stop!
Yo.
That shit hurts! Stop!
Let's go.
Stop!
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts! Get up! Stop, bro! Yo, get the f*** off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go.
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up.
Stop! Mommy!
Get up.
Stop, please!
Get up then.
Stop! Let me go!
Are you gonna get up?
Let me go! How the f*** I'ma get up, bro?
All right, let's go.
Stop! I hate when people touch me!
Okay, then sit up. Let's go.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go, yo!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Sit up.
No, don't talk to me now!
Sit up.
I'm fucking here!
Sit up. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo, bro, that's weird! Ah! Stop! Please
We're gonna have
stop!
to pick her up.
Bro, that hurts! Stop!
Got it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Stop! Yo! Bro! Nah, bro, that shit weird. That shit weird, bro. Stop, bro. Please stop. Yo, that shit is weird.
Watch your head.
Let's go.
Hold on, don't open the door. Watch your head.
Yo, that shit is
Can you
weird.
get up? Because
Are you gonna get up?
Yo, no,
So you can
please
breathe.
just
Sit
let
down.
me get up.
Okay, then get
I
up.
hope you get up, but you're not getting
Let
up.
me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up.
Hold on to your side.
Hold on.
Your other side. There you go. There you go.
Yo.
There you go.
She continuously screams and threatens to sue all the officers, but this becomes futile as she herself faces a series of charges, including resisting arrest and assault. Despite this, she continues to demand the return of her personal belongings.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing everybody.
Let's go.
Yo, my fucking head.
Let's go.
No. Bro, grab my phone. Grab my phone. No, I need it now. My cigarettes, my phone, my money, everything. Please, bro, please. My phone in there, my
Let's go.
fucking cigarettes, my buddy, bro.
Let's go.
Get my cab keys, bro. Take my cab, bro.
You gonna stand up? Let's go.
Yo,
Stand up. Okay.
take my cab.
Stand
Shit,
up.
wait. Go get it, please. Go get it.
Stand up.
Please. You can have it, bro. Take my shit. Take my shit.
Walk back.
No, in the
Walk back.
store, my phone, my cigarettes in there.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down. Put your feet in, please.
No, I can't. Wait, I'm trying. Stop touching me. I hate when people touch me.
You gotta understand, you're under arrest.
Take it off.
You're
I
not-
can't.
you're not-
My arm.
You're under arrest, man.
No. Bro. No, I'm telling you to take this off my arm, yo.
Come on.
Bro, look, what the f***? Yo.
Come on.
Hold on, wait. Bro, you gotta take this shit off.
Listen, look. There you go.
Oh my God. No, this shit is not cool. Go get my phone. Let me see you
please
get
put
my
it, Bob.
phone.
Your phone is in the
Get
car.
my phone.
Your phone is in the car.
Let me see. Let me see.
He's gonna show you right
Let
there.
me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
Your phone and your keys.
Let me see my keys.
Your keys are in here.
Let me see.
Get in the car
Let
already.
me see
I showed you all your stuff. I'm not showing you again. I'll show you your stuff.
Where's my phone? My keys are lying. Where's my phone? My keys, the camera's not even on either. No, it's not. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys? Yo, stop! No! Bro, stop! You choking me!
I'm not choking.
You was, man! Go get my keys!
Keys are
Go
inside.
get my keys! Stop! You stop! Her! Stop! Her! Stop!
Leg in the car.
Stop! Stop!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop!
Did she drop anything else in here? We good. Alright, cool. Nothing else? What's up, bro?
Give me my stuff!
You good, you good. Just back up.
Please! Yo, give me my stuff, please! Give me my stuff!
Your stuff is in the front.
Give me my stuff! No, it's not! He just got my shoes!
Yeah, I got you.
No! Stop! Let go my arm! You hurting my
Let's go.
wrist is bleeding, bro! Stop! Stop! Give me my shit! Ah! Ah, stop the shit!
Put your leg inside then.
It's full of
Put your leg inside.
the cops hurt! Let me
Put
go!
them inside. Put your leg inside.
Show
then.
me my stuff!
I already showed you your
No,
stuff.
you didn't!
already
You just
showed-
showed me my shoes!
I already showed you.
I need my keys!
Stop.
My phone!
You are already under arrest.
Yo!
Stop.
That doesn't mean you keep my
Stop.
shit!
Your shit is in the front.
Let me see, that's it!
I showed you already.
You just show me my shoes. It takes 2 seconds. Show me.
Did you not see your phone and keys already?
Let me see.
I'm not
Let
showing
me
you
see.
again. Put
Can
your
you
foot
please show
inside.
me my phone?
It's in there.
Please, I promise you on my son. I told him too on my son I was gonna
Put
leave.
your foot inside.
Yo,
That's it. Let's go. Put your foot inside. Let's go.
where's my key? Where's my cigarettes?
Your cigarettes, your phone.
And where's my key? Let me see. Let me see the key. That's not my car. That's my boss stuff. Please.
Can you please go?
See, you don't have my key.
What's your stuff?
You
Let's
don't
go.
have my key. Check if it's in my pocket.
What does your key look like?
It's a small key. It's green. You're gonna see the green
Is it in
tag.
your pocket? I'm gonna check.
Check, please, just check. See if it's my pants pocket. I need that key, bro.
Where's your other pocket?
It's in the store. Please get my key. Please get my key, please. Oh my God.
You know you making this more
No,
difficult
I'm
than
not.
what it has to
How? I work all day,
Listen.
every day for my money for the white people to be talking to me crazy.
Bro.
No.
be. You need
That
to
shit is
understand.
weird.
Mama, listen.
No.
You need to understand
No.
that you are under arrest.
What the f?
Okay?
That shit weird as hell. That's all
Stop
I can do
making
is
this.
work.
Stop making this more difficult than what it has to be. Put your foot inside.
Yo, that shit is weird, bro. That shit is weird.
Put your foot inside.
That's all she had to do was give me back my money. My key not in there.
Put your foot inside.
Wait, check.
Put your foot in the vehicle.
See?
I'm about to go inside and check. But you're I checked in there. They can't find your keys.
Yo,
It's not
see,
in
that's
there.
what I mean. That's the fucking bullshit, bro.
Can you put your foot inside? Look,
Check in my pocket.
I already checked.
Check, please. Come
You
on.
see the other one?
Y'all, they're gonna do some bullshit. Is it in?
Alright, cool.
Can you take it? Can you take this? Have some.
Can I take?
Shoulder, my head,
Okay, what hurts? Tell me what hurts.
my shoulder, and my wrist.
Your shoulder and your wrist.
Please take them.
Listen, once EMS comes, I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen. Once EMS comes, if you decide that you want to go to the hospital, we are going to assist you going to the hospital because you are still placed under arrest. Now,
Six both in
the
her.
cuffs will not come.
They're not coming off.
They're not coming
Can you
off.
Put him somewhere else? Or like make him lose it.
What I can do is put another pair of cuffs, but that's not up to me.
Please.
Okay?
Police called for medical assistance when the suspect repeatedly complained of pain in her shoulder and wrist. However, they were unable to remove the handcuffs, only able to loosen them as per regulations. What do you think of her repeatedly shouting, "Don't touch me," yet fiercely resisting and even assaulting the police?
Listen, I can put another set and loosen them. That's all I can do. But you're gonna stay in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm telling you, it just hurts.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all I'm telling you. That it,
Okay, so would that be sufficient? They're gonna put another pair of cuffs on so it kind of spaces it out a little bit, so your shoulders aren't back like that.
it's not just my wrist and my shoulder.
Okay, well, like I said, nothing gonna be able to do about your wrist. It's a temporary restraining device. It's not gonna be comfortable. And if you're under arrest, that's how that works. They're not gonna take the cuffs off. You understand that?
I understand what you're telling me. I speak.
What's up, bro?
I'm saying, like, this guy right here, you're not acknowledging what I'm saying. He's walking right here with this shirt.
Huh?
He keeps coming back. He's not supposed to be here. He's trespassing.
That guy?
Yeah, he will not leave.
Fucking guy. All right, give me a second, bro, cause.
He will not leave.
Yo, let's go. Okay, bro, let's go. They don't want you here, so you don't. They don't have to give you services if they don't want to. I got you. Once I'm done over there, I got you. But leave for now. Once you listen, yo. Once you see me done over there, come get me. But leave.
Or do you want to go to the hospital and have them X-ray your shoulder and all that?
Well, I can tell you, I'm pretty sure your shoulder's not broke. Would you let the officer space those handcuffs out? See if that is any relief for you?
Hold on.
Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna take off this left hand. Hold on. Relax.
What shoulder is it?
What shoulder is it?
It's this one.
Your right hand?
Yeah.
All right, so he's taking the
All right,
left
hold
one
on.
out.
I'm taking the left one out. All right.
My wrist hurts.
Man, you gotta
All right,
relax.
relax. I'm trying to take it off. Can you put the light on the cuff?
Yo.
All right.
Relax.
Yo, that's
God.
So she good? In the hospital?
That's sufficient for right now?
my shoulder.
So do you want to go to the hospital or not?
Listen, he's gonna check you, make sure you ain't got no weapons. The only thing that's gonna stay on your person is your cash, okay?
You have anything in your pocket?
You guys took all of my stuff.
What'd you say?
You guys took all of my stuff.
You got your keys, you got your phone, you got everything on you. That's he said to take her somewhere specific.
No, don't push my heart. I got it. Don't push my heart.
I took her personal stuff, but make sure nothing else is missed. I left. My bad.
Ultimately, the suspect faced a series of serious charges, including resisting arrest, assaulting a police officer, disturbing the peace, and property damage. This demonstrates how a minor incident can escalate into a serious crime if emotions are left unchecked. What are your thoughts on this case? Leave your comments below.